the adaptive cruise control is unbelievable. You've got this stick here, pull it towards you, it's on, and then you hit the set mode. How fast do you go? Go the right speed?
Yeah.
And you hit set, and then take your foot off the accelerator. And basically...
That is so... I don't love it.
You don't love it?
It's so surreal. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that.
And you can... see if I can remember how to do it. You can...
I don't know how I feel about it.
You can change it by lifting it up. Now, and you can adjust the speed basically by doing it. Just chill.
What do you do then? What do you do to do?
You pull it up and down to adjust the speed. So say you go into a 60 mode, 60 bar, you can just tap it down.
I think I was obviously going a little bit less than 70, so it accelerated for me. That's weird.
Yeah, Paul.
That is weird.
So the crazy thing is, now this car's in front of you.
Yeah.
If you come up to a car, it will automatically slow you down. So just relax. Focus on staying in the...
my foot. I've got it freaking out.
Put it down. Just put it down somewhere.
Oh.
Not back on the pedal.
Oh.
Not on the... This does take some getting used to, but you can just relax now. We've got 14 miles now to just relax and get used to it. This is it. You don't have to do anything, basically.
What if I need to brake?
You just put your foot on the brake. But you won't need to because it will do it for you.
I don't know if I trust that. That's free. That freaks
Wait,
me out.
there's a lorry coming up. Wait until you come up behind it. Honestly, this is... I mean, I know a lot of cars...
What you're asking me to do is terrifying.
Well, wait until...
You want to just let it
just
roll right up to this lorry?
It will quite far back. It will suddenly put... So here we go. We're coming up to the lorry. And see, there it goes.
It's clocked it.
You can feel it pulling, and you just stay
there.
Just stay there.
But what happens if I want to go round it?
Well, you can do, but just wait. See, it will basically settle behind this car because it's adapted to the speed of that behind the lorry.
That is so clever. What happens if I pull out now? I can't.
So just pull out.
Yeah, but there's a car coming.
Oh, well, don't pull into
gosh, it's going really slow.
It is going. So put your foot on the accelerator. It will brake the adaptive cruise control.
Okay.
So to indicate and everything like you normally want to.
Now.
Yeah.
I've got my foot on the accelerator.
Yeah.
And it's just overridden it.
Yeah, and it's just off. And so if I can remember to re-put it on.
If I just pulled out then, would it have accelerated for me or not?
Yeah, no, it would have probably actually. So now to reset it, I think you just pull it towards you. Hang on, let me just see.
What?
Yeah, resume.
Pull
that towards you.
I didn't need to do it. It's just done it.
Oh. Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe it never went off. There you go.
Oh.
And so now you're driving, but you're not really driving, are you?
I'm not really.
And
I'm steering.
You've got a bit of steering. We've not quite explored all the lane assist stuff yet, but...
Oh, it's cool.